Lady Justice Martha Karambu Koome scored yet another first with her recommendation by the Judicial Service Commission to fill David Maraga's shoes as the country's top judge.
The JSC has unanimously recommended the appointment of Honorable Lady Justice Koome Martha Karambu, Judge of the Court of Appeal, as the Chief Justice of the Republic of Kenya, and has submitted her name to His Excellency the President for appointment.
JSC convened a special sitting to settle on Koome just hours after the Court of Appeal shelved a High Court decision barring the Commission from deliberating on the outcome of the Chief Justice interviews or recommending a name to the President for nomination and appointment. Koome edged out 9 other contestants in the Maraga succession race.
The Commission wishes to thank all the candidates, Kenyans, and all stakeholders for their participation in the recruitment process.
Koome has 33 years experience in the legal profession, 18 of those as a High Court and Appellate Court judge, while 15 years was spent in her law firm, as well as at Madenge and Mushemi Advocates.
My CV is very huge. I think if I were to write everything, then it will be a confusing.
So are you saying those years were not pivotal in your...
They were years I count as practice, 15 years of practice.
So during the interviews that were beamed live across the TV stations in the country, Koome displayed her grasp of the law and knowledge of the workings in the judiciary as an insider, and was among the frontrunners in the Chief Justice contest.
The Commission wishes to congratulate Honorable Lady Justice Martha Koome for becoming the first woman Chief Justice of the Republic of Kenya.
The Commission, however, declined to make public the order of performance by the 10 candidates it interviewed for the head of judiciary after days of speculation on who would clinch the coveted job.
No, our duty was to select the best candidate, and that is the name we have given you. Thank you very much.
If cleared by Parliament and appointed by the President, Koome's entry in the office of Chief Justice will include the appointment of 40 judges who the head of state has declined to appoint, sparking a stalemate between the executive and judiciary. How she would resolve the standoff, one of the pertinent questions she tackled during the interviews.
So we must discuss this issue of 41 with the President. In that atmosphere of we are serving Kenyans, all of us, and we are concerned about the administration of justice, and we find out where the problem is, resolve it, and get the judges in office.
If appointed, mending the broken relationship between her predecessor and the President would also be a point of focus.
When the CJ is seen with the President, they are discussing matters on administration of justice, that everybody is responsible. It's not a beauty contest who serves Kenya better. It's if the executive, the judiciary. We are all in it. So if the judiciary is failing, the economy is failing because disputes are not being resolved. The President gets affected and everybody gets affected.
JSC has formally written to the President, communicating its recommendations for his nomination and subsequent transmission of Koome's name to Parliament for vetting. Appellate Court Judge Martha Karambu Koome becomes the first female nominee for appointment as the country's Chief Justice. However, only one hurdle stands in her way: the vetting by the National Assembly Legal Affairs Committee and approval by the National Assembly before appointment by the President as the third Chief Justice under the Constitution enacted in 2010. Francis Gashuri, Citizen TV, Nairobi.